Hey everyone, it's Cindy with Cresin Project, and it's been a long time since I've posted. So much has been going on. I just haven't had any time to do any resin crafting. For the past week, we've been repairing steps at a spring that's up here in North Florida called Orange Grove Sink. And so that took pretty much, I don't know, we were there for 5 days, and by the time we got back, we were just too tired and just wanted to go to bed, basically. So I wasn't able to do anything, and then this past weekend on Saturday and Sunday, we went out to Crystal River and did some spearfishing, and I was able to do some free diving, try and work on my skills. So I did post some videos of my free diving and also attempting to do some spearfishing. I tried to shoot a flounder and completely missed. But I mean, I'm new. I haven't really done a lot of spearfishing. So it's still a learning thing. But yeah, I posted some videos on my other YouTube page, which is C. Myers FL. So if you want to go and check that out, that would be awesome. And so yeah, we were in Crystal River for that weekend, and it was a blast. Saturday wasn't so great. The water was not in the best, visibility was really not so great. And then we went out a different area, Bayport, and the water was crystal clear, and it was just the best day ever. So excuse the nose, I got a little sunburnt, and I have a bad habit of picking when it peels. So and then yesterday, my daughter Lainey Myers graduated from high school, so I have an 18-year-old graduate now, which is insane. Like, I feel like just yesterday I was taking her to kindergarten, her first day of school. So time flies. It's just insane. So if you have little ones, cherish those days, cherish any moments, because in the blink of an eye, I mean, they're adults, and she's going to be going into the Navy, so that's going to be awesome. So yeah, but today I'm just going to do some resin pieces because it's been a while. So let me show you. Gonna do some manatees because I haven't done any in a while, and I need to get back on that. I still have some beads in there I gotta take out. I didn't do that yet. These are 2 new molds that I got the other day, so I'm excited to try those out. And some more kitty cats and a new mold. It's octopi. They're so cute. So we'll see how they turn out. And I'm gonna try to do the soap dish again. I did it last time and I didn't have enough resin, so it didn't completely fill, and then I was out for about 7 days and not doing any resin stuff, so gonna redo that again. I got some glow in the dark powder from Let's Resin, so I'm gonna test that out on some things. But yeah, not much has been going on. Well, I mean, not much resin crafting wise anyway. I do have an event coming up on June 7th at the Live Oak Artisan Market. Crossing my fingers that that goes to plan and I'm able to attend that, because it's been so long since I've done an event. I think my last event was the beginning of March, or maybe it was beginning of February, I'm not for certain. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put the video on time lapse So feel free to leave any comments, like, subscribe. That would be fantastic. So feel free to watch along, and I will stop it every now and then just to show you some things that I've done. And thanks for watching. Alright, so I didn't do as much as I was going to do today, but this is what I've got done for the most part. I did the soap dish. Obviously I'm gonna have to do another layer once it's cured. Probably do that tomorrow, either a clear or a black. And I did 2 of the octopi, used my glow-in-the-dark powder, so we'll see how that turns out. Did some glow-in-the-dark for these, and some skulls and a turtle, and I did my manatee as well. So that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing today. I'm just doing some small things, not doing large things, because I have an event coming up and I have quite a bit of things that I'd like to have get sold before I start making even more things. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day and weekend.